Okay, we're working on Math 2 Unit 3, Worksheet 3E, talking about perpendiculars. And so it says that perpendicular segments form right angles. Right angles. And all right angles are congruent. Okay, so let's take a look at number 2. First of all, we have the given information that BD is perpendicular to AC. That means that we're going to be making right angles all in this space right there. These are all going to be right angles. We also know that AB is congruent to CD. And that's what we have so far. So this is our given information. We just write that down as given. If they don't write it down, like over here, then you write that in the space. The next step this statement took is it said that angle AEB and CED are right angles. And that's going to be true because that is part of the definition of a perpendicular. Definition of, and we use this little shortcut to write perpendicular. So we know those are 90-degree angles. Awesome. Then they said that AE is congruent to CE. So AE is congruent to this one. So this line, AE, congruent to this guy there. Well, that's going to be true because it said that these two lines bisected. So that's the definition of segment bisector. Okay? So we have a definition of a segment bisector. And finally, we have triangle AEB is going to be similar or congruent to CED, and this is going to be because of side-side angle, right? Is that what we have there? Side-side angle, something like that. Angle, yep. Well, we have right angle, sorry. We have a right angle. So we would say because of hypotenuse leg. Because we have the hypotenuse, which is across 90 degree, and a leg there. And that's why that would be the case. Hypotenuse leg. Sorry about that. So that's just what we're going to do for the other ones too. Same idea. Let's look at number 4. It says given that E is midpoint, so we throw all this down, E is midpoint of DC, okay, and DB is perpendicular to DC, and AC is perpendicular to DC. I want to prove that. Alright, this is my given, so I know that to be true. E is the midpoint, and this is perpendicular. DB is perpendicular to DC. Okay, so let's start with the first thing. E is midpoint of DC. So if that's the midpoint, then I know that DE is congruent to EC. And that's going to be because it's the definition of a segment bisector. Alright, so that's going to be equal there. The next thing I know is that angle BDE and angle ACE are right angles. And the reason for that is the definition of perpendicular. So I know that is a right angle and that is a right angle. Okay, getting closer. Now the next thing I want to look at is that angle CAE. Sorry, I keep writing the wrong thing. I keep saying sorry all day. Must be early in the morning. CEA is congruent to, so CEA is congruent to angle DEB. And if you look here, that's because this is going to be a vertical angle. So definition of, or we would say, not definition, we would say vertical angles are congruent. Vertical angles are congruent. And now I have that the triangle AEC is congruent to triangle BED by angle side angle. Alright, and that's how you do that one there. Same idea for the other ones. So good luck, keep working hard, great job.